retired couple who sold everything and bought a boat, with the intention of living the dream in our later years. So the next bit to work on is here. Well, might be there. I'm going to do what we did on the door, which is face it with that. So that and that'll match. First thing I have to do is take the handle off. So we've got the handle off, got a measurement across there for the width, and I know what length I need, which is 6 foot, which is just about the length of what we've got. So cut this, and I'm going to use the machine cut edge down here and then work that way. And so there we are. Just got 1 or 2 little bubbles just to ease out. As that eases in, we'll find that this DC Fix glue goes off over about 12 hours. And we've started work in the heads. Now we've got marble work surface, countertop. The bowl has been painted. I've got this mirror to sort out, and the framework. Well, I'm now working in this area back here. Yeah, don't like that at all. What it will end up like is this, where we've refaced the framing for the doors and the drawer. So that's ready for the doors refitting once they've been varnished.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. The morning as the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
So it's another beautiful Sunday morning. Cold. Yet again. We moved Ava, so Ava's now in new berth right next door to Baru. So I'm sorry we didn't get any videos done last week, but it's been busy, been working in one of the smallest spaces. Got the heads nearly finished. It is looking a lot better now. Just got a little bit of painting to do now on the doors, both above the loo and below it. And I've just ordered a new sea toilet, and that's to fit. This one's seen better days. And over on the companionway side is done, and the back wall is all complete now. That's it in the saloon. The saloon is complete, and apart from tidying up, so is the nav station. Just got a little bit more work to do on the inner helm. I think we may change that kickboard at the bottom so it's all matching. And last Sunday we had a fantastic visit from Jake, one of our long-term subscribers. He's been with us since about 2019. Young man, came with his grandparents for a quick visit, well, about an hour. It was great to see his enthusiasm for boating. Let's hope it carries on. Find these carbide scrapers fantastic for getting the rough off, and then we can go over the details. So about an hour's work and we've got all the flaky areas scraped off. That's ready then just to give a sand, and then I've got this side to do. You may have seen a painting appear on the back wall of Peru. Here is a time-lapse filmed with our wonderful little Wolfang GA420 action camera. These are a superb piece of kit, giving wonderful colours and stabilised action when on the move, and also time-lapse. If you want one, I'll put a link in the description below. So, thank you for watching our channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, press the bell icon to be reminded when we put a new video out.